In the name of Allah, in this tutorial we are going to show you how to learn HTML CSS. This is the first course of HTML CSS. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work HTML and CSS. First of all, I'm telling the HTML. HTML is the shortcut. HTML, it means the hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are two core language or two core technologies for building web pages. Okay, what is HTML? HTML is the language for describing the structure of a web page. For example, Rebus online documents with heading, text, table, and for example, this is the next one: retrieve online information via hypertext, hyperline, and the click of button. Design forms for conducting transaction with remote services. For use is searching for information, making reservation, ordering product, etc., including a spreadsheet, video clip, sound clip, and other application directly in their documents. Okay, so what is CSS? CSS, the language for describing the presentation of web page, including color, layout, and font. It allows one to adapt the presentation to different type of device, such as large screen, small screen, or printers. CSS is the part of HTML. You can CSS can be used with HTML or whether can be used with XML. Okay, so for the first time you need to download two setups from your browser. Okay, so the setup you need to download, that is XAMPP. You can download from your browser, open your browser and search XAMPP, XAMPP, and then enter. Okay, here you are. You can download for Windows and for Linux and OS. It means for Mac. So this is Windows that I'm using. We are downloading the XAMPP for Windows. I have already downloaded the XAMPP on my XAMPP for my Windows. Here you can see. Okay, so you can download it, and the next program that you need to download, that is Notepad C++. Search Notepad C++. Here you are. Click on download button to download Notepad++. Okay, once you click on download button, it will be download on your Windows. It means on your documents or maybe in your download page. Okay, I have already downloaded this tool. Why we are downloading and installing this tool? It means when we want to use HTML CSS, first of all we need to download these two programs. Okay, now first of all install the exam. Click next. Click next. Next. Okay, now click on allow access. Now the installation has been finished. Click on finish button. Select your language, German, or maybe if you are United, if you know the English language, then select this one. Save. So now again this is for this course. Okay, for HTML CSS we are using the Apache and MySQL. Start this tool is needed for HTML CSS. Okay, start this one. Yeah, it's work. Okay, and start the next one, that is MySQL. Okay, click on allow access button. That is this tool is started. Now you need to install the Notepad++. Click yes, and select your language. Okay, next, I agree, next. Okay, the run button. Here you are. As you can see that I have started the Apache and MySQL. This tool is started. This is the first course. Okay, this is I'm teach you the first course. This is the first course. Okay, don't forget. Minimize this one. Okay, this is the Notepad C++. You can use in this program. Okay, this is the very best program that you can edit or add or remove your code in this. Okay, now this is the code editor. Okay, you can say code editor. Now I want to open new page. Okay, this is the new page. I am making some, for example, web page. This is example. Okay, I'm making this web page. Before creating new web page, you need to do something. Now I'm telling you. Okay, now go to C drive and open the exam, and you need to find the htdocs. Open and delete this all of this. Okay, delete. Now I have deleted all of the thing that I had in this folder. Now I am going to create one of new folder, and the folder may be anything. For example, maybe Niaz IT, VK Vibes, Technique, anything. Okay, now I am creating, for example, new web page, for example, Mia's IT. For example, this is my web page I have created. Okay, you need to create, when you want to create a web page, you should create one folder. Now, okay, I'm going to the Notepad C++. Okay, when you are the first, okay, for example, the first person or the beginner person to want to start the Notepad plus, you need to know something. Okay, first of all, bracket open and bracket close, again bracket open and bracket close. Okay, under this, under first two bracket, you need to write HTML, and the next one, okay, the next one, backslash HTML. Okay, now before doing anything, you need to save this file. Open, click on file and then save as. Go to the location that you have created your new folders, okay, I'm doing the C drive, program file, no, sorry, exam, and htdocs, and click your folder, and you need to write, the file name is very important, you need to write index h.html, save. Okay, now between these two you need to have space. Okay, enter. Okay, now in this okay, in this area you can write something. For example, I'm writing the body, bracket open and bracket close, bracket open, bracket close. First one, body, and the second one, first of all, this is the next one is, it means the close one, bracket, back bracket, and no, sorry, this is the backslash, body, okay, space between them. And again, bracket open, bracket close, bracket open, bracket close. Write P and backslash P. Okay, between these two bracket you can write anything. For example, I am writing this is my new web page. I have write some HTML code, and now I want to open this web page on my browser. If I want to open this web page in my browser, first of all, I should save this page, Control S, and then click on run, and launch in Chrome. I want to open whether you can open in Firefox, Safari, any browser. Launch in Chrome. Okay, as you can see, this is the web page. It is not completed, but it is the fundamentals one. As you can see, I have written here. Okay, this is my new web page. So if I want to change this one, I can do something. Okay, for example, and here write bracket open, bracket close, bracket open, bracket close, and here write title. Okay, and backspace title. Okay, now write for example homepage. Control S, and now go to your browser and refresh once. Here you can see I have changed this one. So this is I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and then the second tutorial I will share some new tips and tricks for you. For that time, take care. Goodbye.